All right, here we are. And this is Baby J, and she is going to do a taste test video. She has Ruffles queso cheese. All right. Try them out.
Okay.
What do you think? Thumbs up? What did it taste like?
Hot cheese.
Hot cheese. Is it real good? Oh, so on a scale from 1 to 10, what do you rate it? 10 being the best. What do you rate it? 1 through 10?
10 to 10.
10 to 10. Okay, let's try thumbs up or thumbs down. What do you give it? 2 thumbs up. All right. Thanks. Now, what do you tell them to do?
Watch our videos and like and subscribe.
All right. See you later.
See ya.